Join for Education welcomes to all of you. Today we shall try to derive the expression of electric field due to an electric dipole at a point in the axial line. This content has been prepared by Anand Prajapati with the help of Join for Education. Derivation of electric field at a point due to a dipole on the axial line or end-on position. Axial line is also known as the end-on position. Class 12. This topic is taken from physics. Let's develop the class. There is a dipole AB and O is the midpoint of the dipole. P is a point at which we find out the electric field due to this dipole, and P is in end-on position or on the axial line. Join A, O, B and P. A has minus Q charge and B has plus Q charge. A, B are separated by a distance 2A and O is the midpoint. Therefore, AO equal to BO equal to A. And P is located at a distance R from the midpoint. Therefore, BP equal to OP minus OB. Therefore, this one will be R minus A. And AP equal to R plus A. R plus A. So we find out what is the electric field at P due to the dipole. First of all, we find out what is the electric field at P due to minus Q charge. After that, we find out what is the electric field at P due to plus Q charge. And at last, we find out what is the electric field at P due to the dipole. So consider about an electric dipole AP. AB is an electric dipole separated by a distance 2A. O is the midpoint of the dipole. P is a point at a distance R on the axial line of the dipole at which we find out the expression of the field due to the dipole. Let's develop the class. From figure it is clear that AB equal to 2A, AO equal to BO equal to A because O is the midpoint of the dipole, and OP equal to R. Therefore, AP equal to AO plus OP equal to R plus A, and BP equal to OP minus OB equal to R minus A. So AB equal to 2A, OP equal to R, and AO equal to BO because O is the midpoint of AB equal to A, AP equal to R plus A, and BP equal to R minus A. Let electric field at P due to minus Q charge is E1. Again, let electric field at P due to plus Q charge equal to E2, and electric field due to dipole is E. Let's develop the colors. According to Coulomb's law, we know that electric field at P due to minus Q charge will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into 1 or R plus A whole square. Similarly, electric field at P due to plus Q charge will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square according to the Coulomb's law. So if we consider about electric field at P due to minus Q charge will be in this direction, and electric field at P due to plus Q charge will be in this direction. So the angle between them will be 180 degree. Now we follow the parallelogram method and we find out the electric field at P due to the dipole equal to E1 square plus E2 square plus 2 E1 E2 into cos 180 degree. According to the parallelogram, we know that. Now we putting the value of E1 E2, and after the proper calculation it will be E square equal to E1 square plus E2 square, and we know that cos 180 degree equal to minus 1. Therefore here will be 2 E1 into E2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2 E1 into E2. Therefore here will be E square equal to E1 minus E2 whole square. We know that whole square of E1 minus E2 equal to E1 square plus E2 square minus 2 E1 into E2. Now we cancel out square, then we get E equal to E1 minus E2. After the proper calculation or putting the value of E1 and E2, we get this one. This is the electric field due to the dipole at P. So this is the simple explanation and calculation of the electric field at P due to the dipole. Hope that there is no problem to understand. Before over the class, once again I recap the chapter or topic. AB is an electric dipole. A has minus Q charge, B has plus Q charge, O is the midpoint, P is a point at which we find out expression of electric field due to the dipole. P is located at a distance r from the midpoint of the dipole, that is r. According to the Coulomb's law, we find out electric field at P due to minus Q charge, electric field at P due to plus Q charge, and at last we find out electric field at P due to the dipole. For this we apply the parallelogram method, and after the proper calculation we get the electric field due to the dipole is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 4 q Ra by R square minus A square whole square. Have you any problem? Write into the comment box. I shall try to resolve your problem. All details are available in the description. Till then, thanks to all of you. Next video lecture will be related to electric field at a point at a distance r when point P is located on the broadside on position or equatorial position. Once again, thanks to all of you.